Okay, how much will it cost to carpet a 19-foot by 13-foot room if carpeting costs $19 per square yard? Okay, so this is not as straightforward as it may seem at first glance, namely because we have two different units here. We have feet and we have yards. Okay, so we have to deal with this. We have to either convert everything to feet or everything to yards. And so let's see what we're working with here. So how much will it cost to carpet a room? And that room is 19 feet by 13 feet. Okay, so let's draw a room approximately, okay, let's say 19 feet on this side and 13 feet on this side. Now, carpeting covers the entire floor. So we're talking about, in this case, covering the entire floor with carpeting. So we're talking about area. All right, so area of a rectangle is length times width. So in this case, we could say area equals length times width, or 19 times 13. 19 feet. Let's say 19 feet times 13 feet. Okay, let's bring over our graphing calculator. Let's see, 19 times 13. Okay, so the area is 247. 247. And that's square feet. All right, so that's the area. Now, we're not buying individual square feet, we're buying square yards. So the question is, how many square feet are there in a square yard? All right, well, let's think about this. 1 foot, or let's start with 1 yard. Let's say, switch to another color here. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Okay, so 1 yard equals 3 feet, but we're not talking about yards and we're not talking about feet, we're talking about square yards and square feet. So let's think about what a square yard looks like. It's a yard. It's a square that is 1 yard on each side. So 1 yard and 1 yard. Well, if 1 yard is 3 feet, that means there's 3 feet this way, and there's 3 feet this way. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, 1 square yard looks like it's equal to 9 square feet. Okay, 1 yard is 3 feet, and 1 square yard is 1 by 1 or 3 by 3, which gives you 9 square feet. Okay, so now we're buying the carpeting at 1 square yard at a time, and each square yard is $19. So how many square yards do we need to buy, or how many $19 do we have to spend? Well, let's take our 247 square feet, and each square yard is 9 square feet. So how many nines are there in this room? So let's divide this by 9 square feet. Okay, 247 divided by 9. Okay, let's bring our calculator back over here, and we have the 247. Divide this by 9. So it looks like we need 24 and a little bit more. So we have to buy individual square yards. 27 is not enough. We can't buy 27.4. We'll have to buy 28 of them. Okay, so we need to purchase 28 of these square yards, which means we have to spend $19. 28 times. So this is about 27.4. So we need 28 of them. So we need to purchase 28 square yards. Okay, let's switch to green because it's money. So 28 square yards times $19 a piece should give us a grand total. Let's see, 28 times 19. Looks like a grand total of $532. Okay, that was important that we, so let's put this down, $532. Here it was important to convert everything to one unit. You can't work in one problem with different units. In this case, we started with feet and yards, but we had to convert everything to feet so we could compare the room to the carpet that we were buying for the room. Okay.